Okay, so super useful video today. I'm gonna teach you how to turn any PC or Windows laptop into an Android TV box and install all your favorite APKs on it and use them like normal. This is a super great hack if you're traveling and you have a laptop and you want to be able to also use your streaming application. So it's gonna be a super quick tutorial, guys. Like always, subscribe to the channel. Let's get into it. First thing first, you need to head to this website right here, which is bluestacks.com. Now, BlueStacks is basically just an Android emulator you can play on PC or, any Windows-based laptop. Now, don't mistake the corny cartoons for this actual utility you can get out of this. So download it right here from this link. It's the official link. You know it's safe. And then go ahead and install. Now, once you have it installed, you're gonna end up on this screen right here. Now, there's quite a bit of things you can do through BlueStacks, but I'm gonna be showing you how to install APKs. Now, the first thing you need to get is an APK, and that is the Android-based apps we install on our Android TV boxes. Now, they do also have an app store here where you can get quite a bit of games and stuff like that. That's not what we're doing today. So for this case, we're actually going to head to Kodi.tv because it's an official application, completely legal. So that's what I'm going to show you how to install on here. Of course, you can install any application you want. So head to download, and then I'm going to get the Android-based copy right here. We're going to install the 32-bit, although I'm pretty sure I could install the 64-bit, and then go ahead and download it right there. Now, heading back over to our BlueStacks, on this side menu right here, you want to find the APK option. It's right in the middle here. You can see it kind of right here, right below trim memory. You'll see the install APK, and then this will pop up another menu right here. Now, once you click on that, all you have to do is find the application in your files, and then it will automatically install. It actually only took about 2 seconds to put the version of Kodi on here. Now, when you click on it, you're going to see automatically you have access to Kodi, and we can do anything on here you would typically be able to do on Kodi. So it's a really easy process, and this works for all types of applications, and everything's click-based, right? So instead of using a remote, you just have your mouse and you can easily click on things. Now, I'm going to be doing a more in-depth video of BlueStacks pretty soon because I do find it's a very useful application. So for example, like you can screen record directly through the app. Just looking through this toolbar will give you a ton of different options that you can do directly through BlueStacks. And so now you can load all your favorite applications directly on your PC or your laptop. Again, if you're traveling, this is such a great hack for hotels or anything like that where you can actually watch content. Now, if you are going to use this in a hotel, you have to. And I know I say this sometimes, you have to use a VPN depending on what country you're in. So if you're traveling and you're using BlueStacks, or even if you're at home, get a VPN so you can set a server up to anywhere in the world. And this way, at least the stuff you're doing on your laptop is not going back to the internet service provider that you're using or to the hotel or whatever, and you have a secure connection. So I do have a really great deal on IPVanish today, and you're actually able to get it just down below in the video. So if you look down below, you're going to see this link for IPVanish. Click on that, and that will take you to my customized page where you can get it for $2.19 a month. So just this upgrade guy.link video right here. So pretty straightforward. Like always, guys, thank you for watching. If you want a more detailed video of BlueStacks, let me know down below in the description, and I will walk through all the major things you need to know. Thanks for watching, guys.